COVID-19 restrictions that remain in place at hospitals can make it really tough for moms who are giving birth. And the same could be said for patients' family members and healthcare workers. Our Leslie Delaspore explains.
New mothers, healthcare workers, and families across the country are welcoming babies into the year of the coronavirus pandemic. And they are trying to do so with some normalcy in the labor and delivery unit, which is the goal of Nancy Travis, the unit's director at Cape Coral Hospital.
So they're able to walk the halls, and we try to keep things pretty normal. So they're able to go walk around during labor, walk around the unit. They're allowed to get in our birthing tubs, which are another comfort measure that moms like to use in labor. And everything else is pretty normal.
At the same time, there are restrictions in place to keep everyone COVID safe, and those rules apply to mothers who have tested positive or negative for coronavirus.
So right now, the mom is allowed 2 consistent visitors for her entire stay. And it's a lot less than what is in normal times, because normal times our rooms are pretty full of lots of family and friends coming to see new mothers. So that has been the biggest struggle for us.
For COVID positive moms, these restrictions are even tighter with limited visitation and room confinement. However, one measure that has remained the same is skin-to-skin contact for mothers and their babies after birth.
Especially helps with babies' temperature control, it helps their blood sugar control, and also gets breastfeeding off to a great start, and helps with bonding, of course. Now with the COVID positive moms, that was stopped for a little bit. Now we are allowing, if the mom is healthy enough and the mom feels up to it, she's still allowed that skin-to-skin time with her baby.
One mother who also happens to be a nurse in the same unit as Travis says the delivery process was intense, seeing everyone in COVID-19 personal protective equipment.
It was a crazy experience seeing everyone in a mask while delivering. You know, my husband's expression, I just looked at in his eyes. It is what it is, and I guess I tried to see it in the positive way instead of become like depressed. Even though everything was crazy and everything that was happening, it was the year that I become a mom, you know, so I don't want to forget this year.
In Cape Coral, Leslie Delaspore, Fox 4 News.